Hi students, welcome to online class of New Vivekanand Convent Higher Secondary School. And dear students, today I will discuss an important topic of English grammar, that is parts of speech. So look here, what is parts of speech? What is parts of speech? Parts of speech means the different types of words used in English speech are called parts of speech. Look here. What is parts of speech? The different kinds of words used in English speech are called parts of speech. So, the different kinds of words used in English speech are called parts of speech. And there are 8 types of parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Look here. Types. 8 types. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, verb. Number 4, adverb. Number 5, adjective. 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. And last of all, interjection. So, parts of speech are 8 types. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. And now, to understand it better, I am giving you an example how to identify different types of parts of speech through an example. Look here. What have you done to your beautiful face and hands? Look here. A sentence is given to you. The sentence is, what have you done to your beautiful face and hands? Look here. What? Pronoun. Have. Helping verb. You also pronoun. Done. Verb. To. Preposition. Your. Pronoun. Beautiful. Adjective. Face. Noun. And. Conjunction. Hands. Noun. So look here. The words are used to make a sentence. What have you done to your beautiful face and hand? A complete sentence, but each word comes under different parts of speech. What pronoun, have helping verb, you also pronoun, done verb, to preposition, your pronoun, beautiful adjective, face noun, and is conjunction, and hands is noun. So when we speak anything, we use a lot of words, and each words comes under different parts of speech. So dear student, I think you all have understood what is parts of speech, how many types of parts of speech are there, and how to identify different types of parts of speech in a sentence. Now I will discuss noun. I will discuss noun in detail. At first, I will discuss what is the definition of noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word, or we can say noun is the name of a person, place or thing. So what is noun? Noun is a naming word, or we can say noun is the name of a person, place or thing. If I give some examples like person, noun, any person, any name, Ashok, Raju, the name of any person. Or place, any place like Noapara, Chal, Kharsia, any place, they all come under noun, the name of any place or person. Or things like chalk, chair, table, computer, everything comes under noun. And now I will discuss the types of nouns. You all know nouns are of 5 types. What are they? Look here, types of nouns. Number 1, proper noun. 2, common noun. 3, collective noun. 4, material noun, and last of all abstract noun. So students, nouns are of 5 types. They are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and last of all abstract noun. And now I will discuss one by one in detail. At first, proper noun. Proper noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular place, person or thing. Look. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. A particular person, place or thing. Particular, not in common, particular. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. As for example, Kolkata is a big city. Here Kolkata is proper noun. Why Kolkata is proper noun? Because Kolkata is the name of a particular place. So Kolkata is proper noun. Ashoka was a great king. Here Ashoka was a great king. Ashoka is also an example of proper noun. Why? Because Ashoka is the name of a particular king. So here Kolkata and Ashoka are the examples of proper noun. Now next, common noun. Common noun. What is common noun? Common noun is the name given in common to every person or thing of similar class or kind. Look here. Common noun is the name given to every given in common to every person or thing of similar class or kind. So what is common noun? Common noun is the name given in common to every person or thing of similar class or kind. For example, the same example, Mumbai is a big city. Here, look here, city. Mumbai is a big city. Here, city is common noun. Why city is common noun? Because city means not a particular city, but any city. It may be Kolkata, Hyderabad, Punjab, any city, but not a particular city. So city is common noun. Next, Ashoka was a great king. Here king is also common noun. Why? Because king is used not a particular king but any king. King refers to any king in the world. So king and city, they are the example of common noun. Next, material noun. What is material noun? Material means matter. Material noun denotes the matter or substance of which the things are made. Look here. Material noun denotes the matter or substance of which the things are made. So, what is material noun? Material noun denotes the matter or substance of which the things are made. Of which the things are made. For example, gold, iron, silver, wood, water, plastic, etc. So, material noun, the example of matters or substance like gold, iron, silver, wood, water, plastic, etc. Now, collective noun. Collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective means a collection of things together. So, a collection of things, a collection of similar individual considered as a complete whole is called collective noun. Look here. A collection of similar individual, a collection of similar individual considered as one complete whole. So, what is collective noun? A collection of similar individual considered as one complete whole. If I give you some examples, you can understand. Look here, a collection of things. For example, crowd, class, army. Crowd means a collection of people together is called crowd. So, a lot of people are there together. So, crowd is collective noun. Class means a collection of students, and army means a lot of soldiers together. So, crowd, class and army are the examples of collective noun. And last of all, abstract noun. Abstract. Abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun relates the quality, state or action which cannot be touched or seen. Look here. Quality, state or quality, state, which can be seen or touch. Action. Sorry. Yes. Abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun relates to the quality, state or action which cannot be seen or touched. For example, like quality. Some nouns that shows quality, just like honesty, beauty, kindness, etc. So, honesty, beauty and kindness, they are all abstract noun, and state like childhood, boyhood, youth, etc. And action like movement, judgment, etc. So, last of all, abstract noun. Abstract noun relates to the quality, state or action which can't be seen or touched. For example, in quality, honesty, beauty, kindness, and in the form of state, childhood, boyhood, youth, etc. And action, movement, judgment, laughter, etc. So, dear students, I have already discussed from the beginning what is parts of speech, different types of parts of speech, what is noun, types of nouns, and I have discussed in detail. So, dear students, that's all about parts of speech and noun and everything. So, thanks and have a nice day.